Hi guys! Kalain. We're here at the Del Monte pineapple fields and we're going to steal some pineapple here. You see? Ouch! This is my life as a jobless Filipino here in Philippines. We're going to find a small pineapple and we're going to eat it. You see? This is the view of Libona. I mean Mambong, Libona, Bukidnon. If you want to come here and then just prepare your feet to be dirty because it's so muddy here. You see? Especially now it keeps it it's always raining, so prepare for the adventure. And I thank you.